Hey guys, it's Ruhan here. Welcome back to another tutorial of Gdevelop 5. Today's tutorial is about how to add custom splash intro and loading scene in your game. So without wasting any time, go to my description and download this file. In this file you will have an extension called splash and load, which I am importing right now. Okay, it was an empty project. Now I am adding 3 empty scene. First scene will be our splash scene. Second will be our loading. And third will be just a scene. Okay, for splash scene, just add a sprite, your logo. Okay, here's my logo, and go to your event and add an action called splash scene. Select your logo, select the after scene. So I am selecting my loading scene here. Okay, and for loading scene, if you want to make a loading cutscene for your game, you have to add a bar. We need a border also. Okay, so suppose I want my border here. Okay, let's change the color dark. I prefer dark color for loading scenes and splash scene also. For loading scene, go to your event and add action. Same loading scene, select your bar, select your border and select the after scene. So here's our after scene. Okay, so now if we hit preview, oops, I forgot to say, you need to change the origin point center. Wait, where is our center point? Okay, here. Okay, now if we hit preview, here's our logo. After logo, the loading scene appears, and after the loading scene our game open. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.